city of Esslingen is situated about a few kilometers southeast of Stuttgart and located near the Neckar River. The city can reflect upon 1,200 years of history. The medieval city center is unique because it is well preserved at large. The Index production facilities are one of the leading manufacturers of CNC lathes worldwide and headquartered in Esslingen. The Index Group is a player in the international market because of its production sites and sales offices in Europe and Asia, as well as in North and South America. The specialty of this worldwide acting, long-established company, which was founded in 1914 and currently employs more than 2,300 people, are multifunctional production centers. Technical innovation is part of the Esslingen company tradition because Index works in a market segment of very complex products and has a pole position on the market because of its innovations. The Index Control Engineering Director, Mr. Eberhard Beck, totally trusts in his strong partner, which is Siemens, when it comes to this task.
Siemens is
leading in technique and technology for controls, just as we are leading in technology for machine tools. We need a strong partner who is able to implement our ideas concerning mechanical engineering in control applications. The virtual machine software is an example for partner-like cooperation. For complex machining operations, it can take a whole day or 1.5 to program and set up a machine tool for a new workpiece in order to start a test run. During this period, the machine tool is blocked. This has a negative effect on the overall operating efficiency of the machine. The main idea regarding the virtual machine was to install a one-to-one copy of the machine tool on a personal computer and make it available as a tool to the machine operator. The main particularity is the fact that the complex functions of the control are imagined at 100%. Compared to former systems where it was tried to copy the control, we now have 100% coverage of the functions. That means that the customer can be sure that the simulation acts like his real machine tool. The machine operator has exactly his two views, namely the display view of the control and the view onto the working area, which he knows, and he operates the simulation in exactly the same way as his machine tool. That means that no rethinking and no training would be necessary. The end user can save a lot of time on the real machine tool, especially with regard to setup times. In the past, we've spent a lot of time with troubleshooting on the machine. Today, we can spend this time at the office simultaneously with the production process, which of course allows longer machine tool run times and reduces downtimes. However, the virtual machine offers some further advantages. Not only the hard facts are important. For example, the setup time upon the order change to new products is reduced by 80 to 90%. The soft facts must also be considered. The machine operator can now approach an Index machine tool in a safer way. He can learn how to handle it by using the virtual machine. He can test it and let run his new programs without requiring a real machine tool. It goes without saying that in this case, he doesn't run the risk of causing a collision, which might possibly cause major damage. The virtual machine has been designed by three strong partners who have contributed their core competence. Siemens with control engineering as its core competence, Siemens PLM with 3D simulation as its core competence, and Index with machine operation and tool geometry as its core competences. Index and Siemens managed to create an absolutely new simulation product which hasn't been available on the market in this form. And in this respect, we do not only see the market leadership in the field of turning milling centers, but we also see a market leadership regarding simulation applications. The virtual machine was just the beginning. In cooperation with Siemens and Siemens PLM, we will continue to optimize the process chain from engineering through to production, so that we will be able to produce even more economically in the future.